Hello guys, hope you are well. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to pass your driving test. So I'm going to do self-commentary and giving you some tips. So I will be doing some moving off, pulling over to the left. I will be doing some T-junctions, Crossroad junctions, some roundabouts, and I will be doing self-commentary, how to do it during your practical test. So I really hope that you enjoy this video, and if you do, please do like and subscribe my channel. Okay guys, so I am driving an automatic car. That means that I will not be using any clutch or any gearbox to change it. All I will going to be doing, just going to drive mode and just carry on driving. During the pedals, I have got two pedals only, so I've got accelerator and the brake only. Now in your exam, so when the examiner say to you drive off when you're ready, you need to make sure that you press the brake, you go to the drive mode, you check your mirrors, so left, center and the right, you signal up which is right, look at your blind shoulder check, and if it's all clear, check your mirrors, come off the brake, and then gradually start moving your car. And that's how you normally do that in your exam, and then carry on looking your mirror as well, again, just in case of anybody overtaking you. Okay, so we have got end of this road. I will be turning left, so I will check my center mirror, I will check my left mirror, and then signal left. Now I start pressing the brake gradually and gently, and I will prepare to slow down and stop. As this is a close view, I lean my body forward and I will start looking to the right. Once you see a gap and if it's safe, then you can start going nice and gradually. Now once you join a new road, check your mirrors again, make sure nobody overtaking you, and then gradually start building up your speed. So the next T-junction, I will be turning right to check my center mirror, the right mirror, signal to the right. Once I'm approaching a T-junction, you need to assess if it's an open view or closed view. This is a closed view. Keep your car to the center white line, lean your body forward, start using your brakes, and start looking to the right, left, and the right again. If nobody's coming, is good to go. Keep your car to the left side of the road. Okay guys, so we have got a roundabout coming up, and I will be turning left first exit. So I check my center mirror, left mirror, and indicate down for the left. I take my feet off the accelerator, start pressing the gentle brake, glance to the right and ahead. If nobody's coming, it's okay to carry on, and then cancel your signal, check your mirrors again, and carry on going. The next roundabout, I will be going straight ahead, second exit. So take your feet off, start slowing down. You don't need to signal yet, keep your position to the left. There is no road marking, so they keep your position left. Nobody's coming from the right. Now positioning is important, so make sure once you pass the first exit here, check your center and the left mirror, signal to the left, and then that's how you take the second exit. Okay guys, so we have got another roundabout coming up. I will be turning right third exit. The roundabout have got no road markings, so I will be turning right third exit, check my center and the right mirror, signal to the right, keep my car to the center white line and position to the right, slow approach, glance. If nobody's coming, you can carry on going, keep your signal to the right and count the exit. So one exit gone. Once you are into second exit, you check your mirrors, signal to the left, and you take the third exit. So you signal to the left, so the other road user who's coming from the other side, they can know what your intentions are, and that's how you take the third exit. Okay guys, we've got a mini roundabout coming up. I will be turning left first exit. There is no left turning, so check my center and the left mirror, signal left, take your feet off the accelerator, gentle pressing a brake. There's a closed view, so lean your body forward, keep moving your car forward. If you do see any car coming, stop. You need to let them go. Any car coming from your right, you need to let them go. look out for any cyclists, any pedestrians, any cars, any traffic. Once it's all clear, you check your mirrors and then start moving. Once you join a new road, check your mirrors again, make sure nobody overtaking you, and then carry on going. Okay guys, we have got a mini roundabout coming up, and I will be going straight ahead, second exit. So I take my feet off the accelerator, I start pressing a gentle brake, look at my mirrors. This is an open view roundabout, so I can see nobody's coming. Just go around the roundabout gradually. You don't need to speed too much, and you check your mirrors again. Now you've got another roundabout coming up. We are going straight ahead, first exit. This is a close view, so it's gradually approach, quick look. If nobody coming from the right, you check your mirrors again and build up your speed again. So we have got another mini roundabout coming up, and in this mini roundabout I will be turning right, second exit. Now remember guys, you need to check everywhere before you commit yourself. So check my mirror, center in the right mirror, signal to the right, gradual slow approach. Anybody coming from the right, there's nobody coming from the right, and if it's safe to do so, keep using a gentle brake, and then gradually make sure bring your wheel back, check your mirrors, and then build up your speed again. Next roundabout is a mini roundabout. I will be turning right, second exit. So check my center and the right mirror, signal to the right, there's no the right turning, slow approach. Is a close view for me, so I will just lean my body forward slowly, keep looking. There's a one car coming indicating going to the left, and I will just gradually come and just go around the roundabout, bring your wheel back, check your mirrors, and then gradually build up your speed. Okay guys, in next junction I will be turning left from the major road to the side road. I'll check my center and the left mirror, signal to the left, keep positioning, start using gentle brake, keep using your brakes for the left curb. Once you turned, check your mirrors and then gradually build up your speed. Okay guys, so I will be turning right from the major road to the side road. There's no other right turning before where I'm about to turn, so I check my center and the right mirror, signal to the right, take your feet off the accelerator, it starts slowing down. There's an oncoming car on your way, so you need to slow down and prepare to stop in a center white line. Once the car goes, you check your mirrors, and then you can simply turn into your side of the left lane over here, or for the curb, I would say so. Okay guys, I will be doing some crossroad junctions. This crossroad junction is controlled by the traffic light, or dictated by the traffic light. I will be turning left at this crossroad junction controlled by traffic light. I check my center and the left mirror, signal to the left, and just waiting for the light to go green. Now while you're sitting in the traffic light, make sure keep pressing the foot brake. You don't need to use your handbrake, or you can, but I don't, just press foot brake over here. Now make sure while you're sitting in the traffic light, keep looking your side wing mirrors in case of any cyclists coming. Once it's clear, check your mirrors again. Now this is a quite sharp left turning, so you need to go pressing gentle brake, go slowly and more steering. Once you turn, check your mirrors and then gradually build up your speed. Okay guys, so we have got a crossroad junction coming up, controlled by the traffic light. So I will be going straight ahead. All I have to do, just check my mirrors, keep my car to the slightly left side of the road. There is no road marking, so just keep your car to the slightly left side of the road so people know what your intentions are. The traffic light is red, so start slowing down using your gentle braking and be prepared to stop before the solid white line. Now once you stopped, as always, keep checking your side wing mirrors in case of any cyclists or any pedestrians try to come in, and just be aware of your surroundings. Check your mirrors again and then carry on going. Just once you're passing this, quick look, make sure all is safe, and then build up your speed. Okay guys, so we have got a crossroad junction coming up, controlled by the traffic light. I will be turning right at traffic light, so there's no other right turning. So I check my center and the right wing mirror and signal right, so other road users will get the benefit of my signaling, so they will know what I'm doing. I'm going to keep my car into the center white line. Now there's no oncoming cars, so I will still be going slowly. If nobody's coming, I don't need to stop, and then I can simply turn. If there was any oncoming cars, then I will need to stop for them and let them go because it's their priority. Okay guys, we have got a Crossroad junction coming up. Now this Crossroad junction is marked. What that means, it has got a painted signs on the road. There's a giveaway signs there. So I will be going straight ahead. So slow approach. Make sure lean your body forward and look to the right, left and right again. If you can't see it, make sure you double check again, and once it's 100% sure, then you can carry on going. If it's an open view, obviously you don't need to stop and you can carry on going if it's safe to do so. So we've got another Crossroad junction coming up. Is controlled by the giveaway lines there. We're going to be turning left to center in the left mirror, signal left, positioning to the for the curb, and again lean your body forward, look to your right, left. Now my left is blocked because there's a parked cars over there, so I need to move my car slowly. Keep going until your view get better. Keep leaning your body, and once you're 100% sure, then gradually build up your speed. It's important. Keep leaning your body forward and keep gradually moving until your view get better. If you've got any doubt, stop and look again. Guys, so we have got a Crossroad junction coming up. I will be turning right at the Crossroad junction. So center mirror, the right mirror, signal to the right. Is important to keep your position to the center white line. Is a closed view junction for me. So lean your body forward, use gentle brakes and keep looking around. Look at your right, left and right again, and then keep going slowly. Keep looking around. Once you turned, check your mirrors and then keep driving safely. Guys, I'm meeting the traffic overhead. There's a red car coming, so I need to slow down, keep my position near to the center white line. Once the car goes, check my mirrors and I can go, but make sure always slow down and stop about 1 car length from the park object, so that will allow you to go around the car easily.